Right back, Alabama Kid. Well, you're doing a good job, man. I know Mother Nature ain't the greatest, but you're doing it fine style in Honolulu. Take it, Alabama Kid, Mod Squad Mobile. Check right back from the mini grass. Mod Squad Mobile, read the mail. Yeah, Smoking George, look, Mod Squad, right back, man. I'm looking around Mississippi. Hello, Smoking George, look, Mod Squad, Honolulu, come on. And that's a Roger, Smoking Joe. You look good, man. I got you on the video gate over here in Honolulu, man. Take it, Smoking Joe, Mod Squad. Smoking Joe, Mod Squad, downtown Honolulu. Check with you, right back. Aloha.
Bye, Mod Squad. Bye, Mod Squad. Worldwide, Smoking Joe, Mississippi. Mod Squad, Smoking Joe with a weekend wing. Got down.
Got it all, Smoking Joe. Got it all, because you got that hammer down in Honolulu. Take it, Smoking Joe, Mod Squad, Mobile. Catch you later now. Right back, Smoking Joe. I got that one of a kind mobile. I got that one of a kind mobile with 4 pills in Honolulu. Take it, Smoking Joe, Mod Squad, Mobile. Right back as you do your thing, because you're doing it in 5-star. Right back, Mod Squad, Mobile. Aloha. Hey, Smoking Joe, just like you, man. Just like you, because I'm going to let you hear how you sound. Listen to this, Smoking Joe. Bye, Smoking Joe. And I'll see you too, Smoking Joe. Take care. Take it, Smoking Joe. Take it to each and every one on the east side. Be Mod Squad Mobile. Back cruising downtown Honolulu. Mod Squad gone. Right there, right there. Is that you, SwitchBlade? You looking good in Honolulu, man. Take care. Mod Squad Mobile, right back, downtown Honolulu.
It's not about me. Hey, Mod Squad, it's not about me. It's all about him. Like I said, my little brother, SmokinJoe, he better sound good. That's my little brother, Mod Squad. Bye.
Well, he gotta sound good if he know you. He gotta sound good if he know you, man. Hello, once again on the east side, Mod Squad Mobile. Say you have a good weekend too now. Right back, man. Must be somebody in Texas. Must be somebody in Texas want to play too, man. All right, take care, Blade. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Right back around the mini grass. I'm reading the mail.
Hey, big man, big boy, you got a hammer down tonight for some reason. Take care, big man. Take care, probably later. Mod Squad, aloha.
Bye. Aloha.